Hello there and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we prepare fried omena. Yes, fried omena, it's delicious. Now to get the best omena, we always say that preparation is key. If you had watched the dried omena recipe, you can actually forward this video to almost 2 minutes and then you'll find the frying part of it. But if you hadn't watched the dried omena, let's start together. The best way to have the best meal is to always have good preparation. Soak the omena for about 2 minutes in a lot of water and gently wash and rinse out to see the dirt. Repeat a second time. You can see the first time already has a lot of dirt. So repeat a second time, put in water, soak for about 2 minutes and gently rub. It helps just to remove the sand and the particles that may have accompanied the omena when they were harvesting from the lake. After the second wash, you can see the amount there of dirt again. Now we put in water, but we'll give this a boil. You boil for about 2 minutes on medium heat, and then we'll see what follows. Now we know that omena is known to be very nutritious, rich in omega-3 oils, in proteins, vitamin D, calcium, which is good for strong bones and teeth, and also muscle coordination. It's also rich in zinc, which helps in wound healing, rich in iron, and so we see it's very nutritional. Wow, now look at the dirt there. Wow. Okay. So why do people avoid it? It's just because they fear the perceived bitterness and smell. But I want us to follow this recipe and you'll be sure to enjoy your meal. Now to fry it, we need boiled omena, tomatoes, onions, salt, spices, oil, yes, and your pan there. It is important to heat the pan and add oil. You can use solid oil or liquid oil, whatever that is available. And then we fry and brown the onions. There. Add in your tomatoes and add in paste just to make it nice thick stew. Mash them to just make sure that it makes a nice paste. Add in your oregano, your salt, whatever spices you have. We have paprika, black pepper, turmeric. I love spices, so I'll always have. And just to prevent it from burning, put in a little water just to keep it heating up on nice moderate heat. Add in your fresh spices too. I put in mint and coriander. And I'm also squeezing in lemon. So that smell that people say omena smells, you will not even smell it. It will just be smelling your spices and your nice food. And then now after the stew is ready, add in now your boiled omena. You see it's very clean and you can still see the water has still some little particles, but that is okay. Gently stir. Remember this omena had boiled before. You don't want it mashed to become some porridge. Wow, after 3 minutes, you see it's well cooked. And now you're ready to serve. Omena can be eaten whole or can be made into stew. But this time, see, we are serving it with hot ugali. And we have some salad there to accompany it. Thank you so much for watching. When you make this, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.